morning, good afternoon, good wherever time you're going to watch my video. Yes, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time popping up into this channel, yes, or if it is your first time coming across this beautiful unapologetic baby, Allah, welcome and welcome to the family. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Guys, I really don't know how to appreciate you. Like, for this far we have come. Thank you so much. Yes, I am ending out. We are going to town. It's around 11. I have brought you guys to Port Place, one of these resorts here in Eldoret. Yes, so I'm taking you guys along. As I promised you, we are going inside. So stay tuned. Port Place is just not any other resort. It's just one of these biggest and famous resorts here in Eldoret, Wasingishu County. It's located along Nairobi Nakuru Road, a few miles away from Eldoret town. Yes, it has two sections. This first section is for the cultural center and nature, and the other section is where you get to go for swimming. You get to take children for playground. You get to go to the restaurant. You get to it also has cottages in it. So guys, as you can see, it has a very spacious place. It has a very big and spacious parking. um Immediately after you enter, you have to wash your hands, and of course you understand the pandemic that is going on all over the world. Again, you have to pay 150 shillings. For the children, you have to pay 80 shillings, and this goes to the residents. For non-residents, I am sorry, I was not even able to even ask. I forgot. So guys, as you can see, rules are rules. Yes, fast forward, we met these beautiful birds. I am sorry because I really forgot about their names. Actually, I did. And also, as you can see, we've got some monkeys. Yeah, basically, guys, here is a place where you can come, have a chill. If you have family, if you are with your friends, if you're a couple, it's just a nice, cool place. And also, we now get to meet, yeah, this is Mr. Ostrich. I don't know if that is the correct name, but what I know is this ostrich is a male ostrich, okay? A male ostrich. Fast forward, you can see the gin fall. In Swahili is kanga. So guys, what I came to learn is all the beautiful balls you see, the ones that has maybe colored feathers, those are the male species. So here, guys, you see tortoise or tortoise, some of you can call that. So whichever the way you see tortoise here. So next here we see is Mr. Peacock. Wow, the way it was just sprouting those feathers, it was just on another level. I loved it. Just look at this bird, how amazing it is. And the other one over there, it is there were two male peacocks, and then the other one was the female. So guys, that's why I say, like, God's nature is just on another level. Yani, me, I don't know, like, wow, it is good sometimes to just get out of your comfort zone and just go and explore, have fun. Maisha ni fupi. So as you can see, guys, Masha tappings they are also called casa. Wow, their space was just amazing and beautiful and wonderful. Wow, the water, the sun above them, yeah. So we move to this section where we get to see the crocodiles. And behind us, I'd not even spotted it. But as you can see, Manta lizard, it was so huge. Like, literally, guys, I'm talking of something that was huge. You can even mistake it for a crocodile, but no, it's not a crocodile, actually. So, wow. So we moved and we moved. And as you can see, over there, somewhere there, like, yeah, just somewhere there, okay? we spotted Mr. Crocodile, and he was really asleep. That guy, I'm not sure if he was asleep, but what I know is it can never be asleep at that time of the day. No. So guys, yeah, there were about 3 of them. One of them was in the water, and then 2 were just outside basking in the sun, or on the sun. Yes. So as you get to move along, we now come to meet the poultry. Actually, guys, even as we thought, maybe poultry is just for the poultry purposes. But no, we were wrong. We came now to realize later, poultry are being fed to the pythons that are kept there. So actually, basically, you're going to meet the python in the videos that are coming before. So guys, keep on enjoying. Yes, let's explore. Just 150 shillings, you get to see all these things, all these animals. So yeah.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the time in my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
And liking the video. So yeah, keep it low.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
So finally, I am going to end this video here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry I could not put on or turn on my voice from the video because it was not matching. It was kinda, actually guys, what I can say is I have struggled. Like, this video has just been giving me headaches and headaches. I do edit, it reaches a time, I had a challenge of voices. There was just too much on this clip. I don't know why it was not cooperating. It gave me too much work, like too much work. I was even literally about to give up on this video, but anywho guys, we made it. And yeah, so guys, stay tuned as we have gotten to explore these resorts here in Eldoret. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to click or smash that button. Okay, love you all, keep safe. Mwah. Till next time, bye.